In 1911, a passenger train left Rome for a short trip to Lombardy. There were 104 people on board, laughing, waving, excited for the journey. But somewhere between two tunnels, the entire train vanished. No wreck, no debris, nothing. Italian officials searched for months and not a single clue. It was as if the train had been swallowed by time itself. Then, in 1946, a train mysteriously appeared on the tracks in Mexico. Witnesses said it looked ancient, covered in dust, and inside were skeletons, still sitting in their seats. The serial number matched the train that disappeared in Italy 35 years earlier. So did that train travel through time? Or cross into somewhere we weren't meant to see?